So let's have Chris Lean from BCC Software come up and talk about BCC Software for a minute.
There's a lot of changes in the industry right now, and I know a lot of you are looking at ways to further increase the value of what you're producing in terms of messages, and a lot of those messages are being delivered by the United States Postal Service. Our mission at BCC Software is to make sure that every mail piece counts. We provide data-driven solutions to enhance customer communication. We can provide certified solutions. They're all backed by customer support technicians that are based here in the United States in Rochester, New York. They understand mail. They're certified by the Postal Service as mail piece design professionals, and they're ready to answer the phone live when you call with them. So thank you for the opportunity to introduce BCC Software.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Aaron Hale. I'm a senior advisor for our Enterprise Solutions and Services Marketing Group at Canon Solutions America. You know, today's really a challenging time. You know, customers are demanding new services, new ways of doing business, new ways to communicate. And, you know, it's also challenging when you have ever-increasing scrutiny by your administration. So, you know, our mission is to help you address those solutions and those challenges, because after all, in a more complex business environment, it really does take a team. As a direct subsidiary of Canon USA, Canon Solutions America has been servicing the implant community for over 30 years, bringing you best-in-class products, innovative solutions, and you know, high-quality service. I am part personally of a team that is tasked specifically to design solutions for the implant managers to help you manage your business more efficiently and more effectively.
Hanukkah Minolta could not be happier or more proud to be a sponsor of the IPMA. This is a very important group, very important to us. We're excited to get to know each other better. Our goal is really to strive to that trusted advisor partnership approach with you. So thank you for your consideration. And we heard some great ideas from our panelists. I loved the deep discussion about 3D. So Hanukkah Minolta is a national provider of 3D systems. We have a whole myriad of 3D printing solutions.
Hi, I'm Leisha Kaczynskis from Rochester Software Associates. Thanks so much for the opportunity to sponsor the lunch and to also moderate the panel session. RSA offers several kinds of software. The first is data transformation. So if you have data center output that you need to get converted to print on PostScript printers, we offer that. We also offer QDirect output management, and we also have WebCRD, which is our web-to-print software. Our first panelist on my immediate right is Craig Allen. He's from Sun Life. Next up is Adam Orcutt. He's Director of Digital Output Technologies at the School of Art Institute of Chicago. This is Steve Diamond from MIT. We have Penn State. Boss also manages their fleet program. Welcome, everyone, to the panel.
We purchased WebCRD in 2012, and it has really changed the way that we collect and use metrics. We're able to add new data points, such as number of items per order. We're able to look at our turnaround times. We look at the time the order was submitted, the time the order was completed. Are we meeting our service level agreements? These are things we can look at now, and we can really have some insights into our implant that we did not have before.
And my staff are always willing to sit down and work with people and help them to get to their output that they're, you know, whether they need to paginate a saddle stitch booklet or, you know, provide a 3D watertight print-ready model. They're always willing to sit down and work with people, and I think, you know, that creates a nice interaction. Another thing that we really do is create pathways to output. So a lot of times we have students that will come to us, and you know, students haven't quite figured out yet to come up with a plan.
I have to bring up the digital display service that we offer at MIT. This has been just a service that we literally can't keep up with. And for anybody who's looking for something to add revenue to your services, this is something, honestly, you should look into.
Everybody's on the same page. We've passed on a lot of responsibilities of structural responsibilities back to our customer service reps. So for a lot of cases, for the customers, they can decide, they can estimate the own pricing. They have a window, a room to, reduce some pricing, or if they feel it's necessary because of an event, or if they want to give something away. So it gives them a more feeling of ownership in terms of the ownership of the process.
But to close it off, I want to introduce to you our President-elect, Alvin Griffin. He will be coming into IEPMA presidency January 1st. He's with Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools. So Alvin, would you please?
Heads up on IPMA, our Orlando conference. Got a set date for June the 14th through the 18th. Splash of Color is going to be our theme. And this is going to give you an opportunity. What you saw today was just a small snapshot of the many events that we're going to have when we get together in Orlando. Splash of Color in Orlando. If you haven't had a chance to go to the website, take a look, see, pin down those dates, mark those things on your calendar, because we're really looking forward to you guys coming down and visiting with us.